Welcome back to Simas Hospitality. Today we will try to understand a little more about the hospitality industry. Hospitality is a dynamic industry with various functional areas such as food, drinks, entertainment, and accommodation. Hospitality is a people business, and every action in this industry has a human touch. As it is a business with high involvement of people, you must have certain personal qualities to be successful in this industry. Let us try to understand these personal qualities in details one by one. There are mainly five personal qualities mandatory for a hospitality professional. They are teamwork, communication, positive attitude, friendly behavior, and readiness to work on holidays. Let us talk a little more about the communication. You must be an effective communicator. That means a good communicator can always attract more people to the business. Now let us talk about the second quality, which is teamwork. Why teamwork is very important? Because this is an industry with a lot of people involvement. You must be a person who can easily get along with the people to be successful in this industry. Another key quality is friendly behavior. Friendly staff can always attract more people to the business. You must be always friendly with any people you come across with. Next one is positive attitude. Positive attitude is one of the most important quality for a hospitality professional. You must be positive even in a failure by considering it as a chance for improvement. The last one is the willingness to work during holidays. This is an industry in which you will work when others celebrate. You might miss some holidays with your family because the hospitality business increases during the holiday season. Now we have completed the basic qualities mandatory for a hospitality professional. You ask yourself whether you have these qualities or not before you decide to join hospitality industry. If you're not having these qualities at present, don't worry. You can develop them by continuous practice. Otherwise, you may not be able to survive in this industry. Let us wind up with this today. Please subscribe and share my channel if you have not done so far. We'll see you soon with another exciting topic. Thank you very much. All the best.